In today's video, I'll show you how to print screen on Windows 10 using quick and easy keyboard shortcuts. The simplest way is pressing the Print Screen key on your keyboard. This captures your entire screen and copies it to the clipboard. You can paste it into apps like Paint, Word, or any image editor by pressing Ctrl+V. If you want the screenshot to save automatically, press the Windows key and Print Screen together. Your screen will briefly dim and the image will be saved in the Pictures folder under Screenshots. To capture only the window you're currently using, press Alt plus Print Screen. This takes a screenshot of the active window and copies it to the clipboard. For more control, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. This opens the Snipping Tool, letting you select a specific area, a window, or the full screen. And that's how you print screen on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.